Hello, in this video we will try to make topography in Revit. Let's start by opening a new file. Select Metric Architectural. Change Unit. Manage. Project Units. Centimeter. Now we will throw our AutoCAD file with isohypes into Revit. As you can see, the file looks very small. Explode. Scale. We will enlarge the file 1000 times to correct the measurements. Move. We should organize the levels. Go to Site View. Now we will start creating the topography. Massing and Site. Topo surface. We will determine the height of the point we will put. The first isohyps will be 1 meter high. We'll place points on the isohyps. The second isohyps will be 2 meters high. The third isohyps will be 3 meters high. As you can see, the topography has started to form. You have to do the height determination step for each isohyps. If you cannot see isohypes, you can continue to do it at level 1. You won't see the points you added in level 1, but that's okay. The height at which you place the points is not visible in level 1. Topography completed. Consistent colors. As you can see, there are roads here. Now let's make the roads. Select subregion. Now we're going to determine the road by drawing. Road completed. Now we'll change the material. Asphalt, bitumen. You can add trees if you want. Component. For example, there is a building in the neighborhood. You ask how we can make this building. I make these buildings with a method I have determined myself. Massing and site. Building pad. Draw the shape of the building. There were other buildings in this file before, but I deleted it for the video. If you throw it to Revit without deleting it, you can easily draw the shape of the buildings. Select pad. And change the height of the pad to make it closer to the actual height of the building. I'm going to try a few numbers now. Now I will change the material of the building to make it look different from the topography. I choose gypsum wallboard material. I'm doing the other buildings in the same way. I'm only doing one for now to show you how I do it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.